this trip isn't going as planned so far. If you can't tell, we're not in the beautiful Omni Hotel in downtown Nashville, but instead a Spark hotel next to the Chicago airport. I was flying to Nashville with a connection in Chicago, and my first flight with United to Chicago O'Hare was delayed over an hour. We made it in time, but we had to sit on the runway once we got to O'Hare for about an hour, which forced a lot of people on that flight to miss their connections, including me. Here we are, stuck at the Chicago airport for a night, and then flying out to Nashville first thing in the morning to hopefully keep this filming somewhat on schedule. We made it to Nashville finally, straight off the plane, right to the show. Let's get to filming.
Whoa, yeah, I'm right there with you. Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.
Cameras out, video or photo. I'm on my dude's cell phone, I'm like, hello moto. I rhyme in Spanish, my flow is loco.
It's day 2 of the car wash show, and Broadway last night went a little bit longer than expected. So the early wake-up call for the educational session this morning, which I had to film, was kind of rough, but we got it done. Footage came out cool. I'll throw some of the B-roll up in here. And now we're on to demo videos inside the booth for the rest of the day. After a long day behind the camera and walk around the show floor filming different things, Urban Grub was the perfect reset and perfect place to refuel. Doing some work in Nashville is always fun. You get the high energy of the show, followed by the high energy at Broadway. I'm grateful I get to travel, do what I love, and create good content. I appreciate you guys for following along. There's more coming up real soon, so make sure you like, subscribe, and don't miss another one.